Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking. So if you're new here, you're welcome. Join the family. Please click on the subscription button and also click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post any video. Okay guys, today's video is about coloring this hair from black to ginger, and it's also giving me like a burnt orange vibe. So let's get right into this video. But before we do, anyways, if you like this video, please click on the like button, share, and also leave a comment down below if you have anything to say or if you have any questions to ask me. Okay, let's get right into it. So this is the hair we are going to be working on today. The hair has a very good texture and the hair is of good quality. So I'm going to start off with my bleach. This is my bleach. I'm using the Vivid Care product, and I'm starting off with my 40 volume developer. I don't even know what's wrong with me today. So guys, I use a plastic bag to wrap my canvas so it's not going to stain, because almost all my canvas I work with, they're always having one or two stains because I color a lot. So I need my glove, my clip, and yeah. So this is the mixing bowl. I'm just going to pour in my bleach and pour in my developer. So I'm not going to use any measuring tool. I'm just going to eyeball this. When you're measuring, if you use a cup, I don't really know how to explain it now, but just make your developer a little bit higher in quantity than the bleach. It's supposed to be like 2 times higher than the bleach, but I'm going to leave a link up there so you guys can go watch my bleaching hair from black to blonde. I have like up to like maybe if not 3 or 4 videos about that, so you can check that later, and I will be leaving the link in my description box and also up there. So I'm going to start off by I'm just showing you guys this anyway, so you just know the step. I'm just going to start off from the bottom and I'll start bleaching. You see why I like this hair? It processes fast and it's just responding to what I'm doing, and that is why I like working with hair with good texture, good quality hairs, not just any hair. So I'm applying the mixture of my bleach and developer to the hair, and when I apply, I'm going to massage. So guys, just keep watching and enjoy the process.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I'm combing through the hair so that every strand will get the bleach. You know, when you bleach your hair and some parts are still darker than the other side, I don't want that. I want everything to blend together, so that's why I'm using my comb to make sure it blends and massaging everything in. So I'm going to continue doing this till I get to the top, and I'm not covering this with the foil because I don't want it to process faster. So this is it. This is the finished look. This is what it's going to be looking like. Sorry. So this is it, guys. Now I'm going to wash this with my shampoo, wash out the bleach with the shampoo, and then we're going to get into the coloring process. So after washing it, I'm going to go in with my got to be glue. So I'm going to spray this in. While I'm doing this is I'm trying to prevent the lace from getting stained by because of the dye. I don't want the dye to stain the lace. That's why I'm doing this process. So you can also use Vaseline. If you have Vaseline is also good. You can just use a brush or use your hand to apply Vaseline on the lace. That's if you want to, but I prefer using got to be. So these are the colors I'm using. I'm using orange blaze and I'm using cinnamon for this color. So the next step is I'm going to get my bowl and pour in hot water, and I mixed my hot water with cold water anyways because I don't really want it to be that hot. Yeah, that's me checking it to see if it's so hot, and it was really hot too. I'm already used to it. Don't mind me putting my hand inside. It's very hot. So yeah, I'm going to pour in some more, and then the next thing I'm going to do now is to put my dye. First of all, I'm going to go in with my cinnamon, then I go in with the orange blaze, and I mix them up together. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dip in the paper and to check if that's the color I want. But obviously this is not the color I wanted. It's just not giving me that vibe, the ginger vibe. So I'm going to go in with more dye and mix everything until I get what I want. So now I think we are good to go. So I'm going to dip in the hair, everything in there. I'll keep on dipping it until I get every bit of that dye into the hair. If it's not enough, I'm going to continue with the same process again by pouring in my water, my hot water and my dye, mix them together and dip in my hair again until I get every color inside that hair. You don't want to be left with patches. If you don't get all the strands, all the color into the strands of your hair, you're going to be left with patches. Like some parts will be blonde, some parts will be orange, some parts will be ginger, some parts will be brown, and that's not what you want. Obviously nobody wants that. Nobody wants to look tacky. Okay, so keep doing this until you get what you want. Okay guys, this is what it's looking like. This is exactly what I want. So I'm going in with my moisturizing conditioner. I'm going to apply this all over the hair, then just let it sit for some minutes before I come back to it and rinse it off. When I'm done rinsing it off, I'm just going to let it air dry. Okay guys, now you can see that the lace is not stained because we use the, what am I even saying, I use the got-to-be spray for this to prevent any stain from the dye, and it worked. Hey, here is the finished look guys. As you can see, this is so beautiful guys. I love the color. I love everything about this hair. I'm just so happy I was able to achieve this color. Yeah, as usual, as a professional colorist. I don't even know if there's a word, colorist. Well, I don't know, but finished look. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Like I said, do not forget to subscribe and share this video. Like it too. Bye.